You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in French from French, in English. It came from Turkish and Persian originally. In French it's pronounced as divan. In French this is a type of couch. Divan. This is also a French word for a couch. Comes from Turkish. Divan is the French word. Divan in English. Divan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.